struggle to establish a hair wash routine, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Grace. If you struggle to establish a hair wash routine, then this video is for you. Before diving into washing my hair, I want to complain about MIELLE. Last year, December, I decided to try MIELLE's product because I wanted something new for the new year. And the crazy part is that I already visualized and liked using their product. I got the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, scalp oil, and the edge control. Just 2 days after washing my hair with MIELLE's product, my scalp started to itch really bad. On day 3, I noticed dryness and flakes on my scalp. I thought maybe because I'm postpartum, you can expect anything. So I carried on with my normal routine, spraying water on my scalp, massaging with oil. Fast forward to my second wash, exactly 2 days later, I noticed the same thing happening. The itchiness aggravated, and at this point I figured it wasn't because I'm postpartum, but the products are the one causing me problems. Now, I don't know which one among these doesn't like me, so I figured I'll throw it all out. Yeah, it just broke. Just broke. I think she's the one. She's the one who doesn't like me. This is ridiculous. Oil on the floor is diabolical. Freaking clean. That cleaning was not part of the vlog, but we moved. Right, moving on. After experiencing heartbreak with the brand I thought I was going to love last year, I went back to the first house. You know what they say? Don't go near the waterfalls. Stick to the river that you're used to. Yeah, that's me. Consequence of my actions. I've learned. I've done few washes with Anju. My scalp is healing. Now let's get on with the wash process. I want to give you 5 tips to make the most out of the wash day routine. Tip number 1. Sprinkle using coconut oil. This helps to protect your hair from stripping effects of shampoo and it adds moisture. Let it sit for 30 minutes before moving on to the wash process. What I'm doing is I'm just massaging the oil onto my scalp. Let me tell you about my TikTok viral moment while I'm pre-growing this hair. I recently completed my 75 sub challenge and I posted results on TikTok. Oh my. My goal was to lose 10 kg, but I ended up losing 11.4 kg. This is me before and this is me after. I'm 8 months postpartum now and I am so happy with the results, and it's blowing right now on TikTok. I just experienced my first time viral moment in my entire existence on the internet, on social media. So it feels surreal. First I was excited, then I got scared. Ask me why. Because people of the internet are strict. Turns out every comment is positive, and that really encourages me and motivates me to keep going as a person and as a creator. Having a viral moment is scary for 2 reasons for me. 1, I do not want to attract any negativity. The comment section goes crazy and I do not want that. Secondly, I was scared of not being able to sustain the attraction that I've got because my followers on TikTok have doubled in number. I opened this account back in November last year and I only started posting consistently in January. I'm a YouTube creator, by the way. So me failing to give them something to stay for the long run, it was a bit scary for me. But I have it under control. I am the creator. Let the people sit for 30 minutes and then we will go on our next step, which will bring me to my tip number 2. Tip number 2. Wash your hair in sections. This will make life so much easier for you and it will save you so much time. Tip number 3.
Choose a sulfate-free shampoo to cleanse your scalp without stripping away natural oils. Focus on massaging the shampoo into your scalp, as this is where the dirt and buildup accumulate. Rinse thoroughly, letting the lather cleanse the strands as it flows down.
Touch. Whatever you need, I got you. I don't talk much, yeah. I don't do rush, yeah. I see you blush every time you talk about your crush.
After shampooing, apply a deep conditioner to restore moisture and strengthen your hair. Use a heat source such as shower cap, and if you don't have a shower cap, you can just improvise by using a plastic bag. It works every single time. While your hair is still damp, apply enough leave-in conditioner. This helps to lock in moisture. You can also follow up with oil or cream to seal in hydration. By incorporating these tips in your wash day routine, you can help ensure that your hair remains clean, healthy, and well moisturized. Wait, is that the baby? No. Moving on. Right now I'm just prepping my hair for my next hairstyle. I didn't want it to blow dry my hair straight away, so I decided to use the thread method. I like using this method whenever I don't want to use heat on my hair. And also, I was running out of time. I was rushing before the baby wakes up, so using thread method, it always works for me. It keeps my hair straight and tangle free, so whenever I'm ready to braid my hair, I just comb it out and I'm good to go. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I really appreciate your support. Let's meet in the comment section. Okay, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you have not done so you'll be the first to see my next video. See you later. Bye.